Camera's quick vlog update. I'm not gonna post any travel videos this week. I'm kinda trying to hustle to get a little bit of upgrades done for this guy. So on Friday, which is in 2 days, I will switch from 37-inch tires, nitto grapplers, to 35 nitto grapplers. I was contemplating on different tires, brands. I was thinking switching, potentially just to. I was thinking maybe I can get something with more life in a tire, because this tire is the right quality, everything. It satisfies me, the grip, everything. It's just. I have to pretty much do it almost pretty much yearly. So my two frontal tires, I just got them before Baja, so they only have about 14,000 kilometers on them. The rears are pretty much a year old, so rears are almost done. Yeah, they're pretty much coming to an end. The other side is worse actually. So that's that. So the reason I want to go downsize. Easier on the truck, just in general. Seems like these trucks, light duty 1500s, take 35s very easy. 37s not so much, even if after reprogramming, you know, tires are heavier, more rotating mass. I still have plenty of clearance. Like, I'm not even gonna probably even notice the clearance difference of that. Really, it's an inch difference, it's not 2 inch per tire, so I'm fine there. It's definitely going to be easier on track to get out of obstacles, right? Because it's just lighter tires and smaller. And obviously miles per gallon or liters. So in Canada right now, in BC in particular, the gas prices are ridiculously expensive, ridiculously. So it's, and I don't think I foresee in any near years it's going to get any better. So it's gonna help cut costs a little bit. So now I think with Wilco tire carrier, I did that video. You can actually check it out in the pop-up here. What actually happened when I disassembled, just for kind of regular yearly maintenance, to tighten things up. And there's a broken basically part that goes inside the hitch. So that's why it started wobbling, all that. So I messaged to Wilco. The guy on social media said, oh, I just messaged them. They replied, they're like, oh, how much weight you had in it, blah blah blah. I'm like, I'm still within weight capacity, because those fins are rated 700 pounds, I mean. And someone mentioned, well, it's 700 something, but it's in reality it's like 250 pounds load. I'm like, okay, let's calculate 37-inch tires, 3 roto packs, little fabrication. I was still under 250 anyway. So those guys asked, I replied, hey, can you send me just this part here? Well, potentially I would have even just bought just this part. I don't want to buy a new whole thing. And they went silent. A week after I messaged again, they went silent. So screw them, I guess, and I'm not gonna rely on this. I'm hoping that once I get 35s, I can maybe stick it back under the track bed here. According to my measurements, it shouldn't fit, but I'm hoping that maybe I'm wrong. It will. If it does, great. One tire goes here, and for Arctic Circle, another tire, just empty one, will go on the roof. And it sucks with this setup right now because my spare tire is actually in the back seat area here, completely ruining my setup. As you can see right here, it's taking up half of my area here. So this box originally should be sitting here. I have water jugs here. And on this side, usually I have my camera gear, this clothing stuff. This is actually my kitchen stuff from the back because I'm doing some work there. Yeah, like crayfish traps, all that. Anyway, there's like, it's a giant mess. This is a mess. I'm hating my setup right now. I can't, like, I wanted to take out my ferrets camping a while back, but I have no space for cage right now. So I'm really hoping the 35s will fit under, then in this case I'm just gonna take off this Vulco here and call it a day. Kind of path of least resistance, least money spending. Actually, what I've been working on since last weekend at camping is everything I try to do is while camping, so I don't waste time in the city, is building this thing. So last camping that happened, the upper shelf I needed to cut something, so I took it home. I need to finish the depth of shelves tonight. I have an appointment right now, but after that I'll do that, and I want to put coating of this paint right here, there, so against condensation, all that. And that will be, I'll open windows. It will have 2 days to dry and kind of get rid of smell before I go camping again. Now all this stuff, this is actually the shelf extensions right here, but all this stuff is actually finally I'm gonna utilize this and the skeleton fabrication, because the whole roof is sitting on this skeleton right here, well, on these metal pillars right there. But I told them, hey, can you put flat steel sheets throughout and on the other side. I've been kind of using it for like spices, there's a bag hanging here, and I've been hanging a bunch of stuff here. But I finally kind of got into a point where I want a little bit of those creature comforts added, plus we see Overland Rally coming up, so people will be coming in, checking my stuff. It's kind of like that push to get things more homey here, and that kitchen box was there when I was stacking like clothing and a bunch of crap on top while camping. And I really got annoyed by that, so it's like, okay, finally I'm gonna have proper storage here, right there. I just need to extend the shelves over there, and these things will be shelves right here, like so. So this is something I'm gonna continue doing tomorrow, and likely I'm gonna need to finish it while camping somewhere this weekend. And then on Sunday I'll take it down again and put a coat of paint here. But this should dry up before camping and get rid of smell, so I'll have to open the window. Unfortunately it's not sunny days coming up, so it's gonna take a while to dry. But yeah, so that's the update. I'm kind of hustling to get this done, timing before, well, the painting for sure before weekend, because I need to sleep here. I'm gonna take one of the episodes to edit on the weekend as well. That's why I'm kind of behind. Yeah, I need to do some truck stuff here. Oh yeah, and I need possibly to transport 37 spare tires, right? Because I need to sell 2 frontals. They're still good shape, and once the one in the back there. For now, I guess I'll stack another 37 on top of that. That box I'll move, I don't know, here or there somewhere, because I still need to camp here on the weekend. And empty 37 will just go on the roof here. I'll ratchet strap it just like I did for Baja trip, and that's kind of a plan. So for the next couple of weeks, until 3 tires sell on Craigslist, I'm gonna be riding with 3 tires in my car, empty tires, because I don't want to, every time someone wants to buy or check out the tires, I don't want them to come to my place. I rather just like, hey, let's meet at coffee shop, whatever, driver, show them right here, and then yeah, if they want to buy, okay, take it. So it's gonna be very, very shitty setup for the next couple of weeks. Hopefully tires sell fast, oh, extra load as well. Yeah, so that's that. Anyway, that's the kind of quick vlog update. Ciao. Hey comrades, don't forget to hit that like button and also leave a comment, and if you haven't subscribed yet, you should by hitting that subscription button and also bell notification next to it, so you can actually get my video updates both in notification in your video feed, and as well you can support this channel if you like my videos through PayPal or Patreon in the links down below or just after this video.